Paris, the city of art, romance, and now, one of the boldest heists in modern history. In October 2025, thieves struck the world's most famous museum, the Louvre, stealing treasures worth over $100 million in just a few minutes. The Louvre isn't just a museum, it's a piece of living history. Once a royal palace, it now holds more than 35,000 artworks, from ancient Egypt to the Mona Lisa herself. But among these treasures lies something even more precious: France's royal jewels, displayed in the legendary Galerie d'Apollon. It happened early in the morning, just before the museum opened. The thieves used a hidden construction lift to reach an upper window, cutting through glass and alarms like professionals. In less than 7 minutes, they smashed display cases, grabbed 8 priceless jewels, and disappeared into the Paris streets on motorbikes. The stolen pieces weren't random, they were part of France's royal collection. Tiaras, necklaces, and earrings that once belonged to queens like Marie-Amélie, Hortense, and Empress Eugenie. One of the crowns was dropped during their escape, damaged, but recovered later. According to reports, the thieves didn't grab random trinkets, they went for 8 specific, historically important pieces from France's royal collection. These included tiaras, necklaces, and parure sets linked to figures like Queen Marie-Amélie, Queen Hortense, and Empress Marie-Louise. One of the most talked about items was the Empress Eugenie crown. The thieves dropped it during their escape, and it was later recovered, damaged. Why these pieces? Simple. Many of the targeted items are studded with large diamonds, sapphires, and rubies, gemstones that can be removed, recut, or sold separately on the black market with relative ease. Once the stones are separated from their historic settings, the original object loses its traceable markers and provenance, making recovery nearly impossible. The crown that was left behind was different. It had mostly metalwork and historic value, but far fewer large, removable gems. For professional thieves looking to convert loot into fast cash, a gem-rich necklace or tiara is far more liquid. In short, they took what could be quickly dismantled and monetized, and left what could not. After the heist, the jewels vanished. Police across Europe and Interpol began the largest art hunt in years, but nothing. Experts say these pieces will never be seen again. In the black market, royal jewels are melted, stones are recut, and identities erased forever. The Louvre is protected by more than 1,000 cameras and hundreds of guards, so how could this happen? Investigators found that parts of the museum's security system were under maintenance that morning. And someone, perhaps from the inside, may have known. Was it a group of professionals, an inside job? Or maybe something even deeper, a collector who ordered the heist from the shadows? Some reports even mention encrypted phone calls traced to Monaco, but nothing confirmed. A few days later, a damaged tiara appeared on the Seine riverbank. Police believe it was thrown away to mislead investigators. Some say the thieves wanted to send a message: you can guard art, but you can't cage history. The Louvre heist isn't just about jewels, it's about mystery, power, and the human obsession with beauty. Some say the pieces are lost forever. Others believe they'll resurface when the world forgets. What do you think? And if you love mysteries like this one, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our video about strange ancient creatures at the end of this one.